past continuous tense. Past continuous tense. Past means bhut, continuous means nirantar, tense means काल, निरंतर भूतकाल. Identification. means पहचान, रहा था, रही थी, रहे थे. Structure. Simple sentence. Rule of simple sentence. Subject was oblique verb plus verb first form plus ing plus object plus etc. Negative sentence. In negative sentence, we use not after helping verb. Subject was verb plus not plus verb first form plus ing plus object plus etc. This is rule of negative sentence. Now the rule of interrogative sentence. In interrogative sentence, we use helping verb first in place of subject. Was verb subject verb first plus ing plus object plus etc question mark. Now the rule of interrogative plus negative sentence. In interrogative plus negative sentence, we use not after subject. Was oblique verb plus subject not verb first plus ing plus object plus etc question mark. These are the rules. These are the rules of past and continuous tense. If you learn properly these rules, you can solve, you can translate all the question of past and continuous tense. Now I am going to tell you the example. Look at the board. वह खा रहा था. Now subject he. The singular subject we have to use was. The plural subject we have to use were. He is singular subject, so we have to use was. He was. Verb खाना eat ing eating. वह खा रहा था. He was eating. In negative sentence, we have to use not after helping verb. He was not eating. Full stop. Now interrogative sentence. In interrogative sentence, we have to use helping verb in place of subject. Was he eating? Interrogative plus negative sentence, use not after subject. Was he not eating? Question mark. Question word. वह क्यों खा रहा था? Why was he eating? Question mark. वह क्यों नहीं खा रहा था? Why was he not eating? Question mark. In this way, you can translate all the questions of past continuous tense. Now, next example. Look at the board. Now, next example. तुम अंग्रेजी सीख रहे थे. Subject you. You is plural subject, so we have to use were. You were सीखना learn. Learning English. You were learning English. तुम अंग्रेजी नहीं सीख रहे थे. You were not learning English. क्या तुम अंग्रेजी सीख रहे थे? Were you learning English? Question mark. क्या तुम अंग्रेजी नहीं सीख रहे थे? Were you not learning English? Question mark. तुम अंग्रेजी क्यों सीख रहे थे? Use question word. What were you learning English? Question mark. तुम अंग्रेजी क्यों नहीं सीख रहे थे? Use not after subject. Why were you not learning English? These are the translation of this sentence. In this way, you can translate all the question of past continuous tense. Now, some examples. You have to do oral. तुम खा रहे थे, you were eating. तुम नहीं खा रहे थे, you were not eating. क्या तुम खा रहे थे, were you eating? क्या तुम नहीं खा रहे थे, were you not eating? तुम क्यों खा रहे थे, why were you eating? तुम क्यों नहीं खा रहे थे, why were you not eating? मैं पढ़ रहा था, I was reading. मैं नहीं पढ़ रहा था, I was not reading. क्या मैं पढ़ रहा था, was I reading? क्या मैं नहीं पढ़ रहा था, was I not reading? वह इंग्लिश सीख रहा था, he was learning English. वह अंग्रेजी नहीं सीख रहा था, he was not learning English. क्या वह अंग्रेजी सीख रहा था, was he learning English? क्या वह अंग्रेजी नहीं सीख रहा था, was he not learning English? In this way, you can translate all the question of past continuous tense. Thank you for today's question.